Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox the kit that you guys picked. So a couple of days ago, I put up a post on my YouTube community tab, and I asked you guys of 4 different kits, which ones you guys would like to see me work on. One was a very clear loser at only 10%. There was one at 24%, so that was the third choice. The top 2 choices were very, very close, neck and neck, right up until the very end, and one edged the other one out just slightly, 34 to 32%. That's the one I'm going to be doing. Let me get everything out of the box and let's see what you guys picked. Don't go anywhere. So I gave you 4 different kits. The least favorite choice was the Christmas bunny, which I get. I was kind of going for like a Christmas in July, but I can understand why that wasn't the most popular. My actual choice was one off of my want list, and that was the hibiscus. That one came in 3rd. And then I had 2 left. I had the Kindred Spirits one, or I had Little Baker. Kindred Spirits is on my want series list, and Little Baker was a newer purchase, and so I was kind of debating whether I wanted to do that one, but I thought I'd leave it up to you guys. You guys all voted, and here's what we're going to look at. So I'm going to get out the toolkit. We'll see what came in it. I'm going to unroll the canvas and let it relax while we're looking at that, and then let's see what we're doing. So we've got our instructions that I don't need. As usual, we've got our drills, we've got our stickers. We'll look at those in a minute. Let's see what came in the toolkit. So in our toolkit, we've got our tray with the stopper. We've got a bag of baggies that I never use. We've got a green sparkle pen with a green scrunchie. We do have multi-placers with some little extra bits of plastic there. We've got a 4-placer and a 7-placer. We get the very sharp, very pokey tweezers. We get the plates of heart wax. We get some pretty floral washi tape, and we get a very cute little macaroon cover minder. Obviously not one of their newer kits because it doesn't have the new pen and tray. So hopefully you guys have figured out which one it is. And we are doing Kindred Spirits. Now, I am not normally a cat person. I'm allergic to cats, much more of a dog person, but this kit just really, I just love how it looks. I love all the kind of design patterns on the cats themselves, the way that their fur looks, this nice kind of background here, and then all of these little different colors. Their tails are a little bit different. The flowers are different. I can't wait to see how this one comes out. So this one is a square. It's 22 by 29 inches, which is 55.8 by 73.7 centimeters. And we have 65 colors. We have, it looks like 3 ABs because they always put theirs at the beginning. And we have 1 fairy dust drill. Now, I may add some additional fairy dust drills in there. We'll have to see what I have with the colors that go with this kit, but definitely going to pull them out and look and see what I can add, because I think this kit is just going to be really cool looking. So I can't wait to see how it turns out. I'm a little apprehensive about how much dark colors are going to be in here, although now that I'm looking at it, there's no 310. But there is 3371 and 939, 898, 823. Those are all going to be dark colors. So we'll see how my poor old eyeballs do with this one. So let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. Now, as usual, this is going to be way too big for me to fit everything on film. So I will take B-roll so that you guys can kind of see the canvas up close. But you can see here the background with kind of all the little muted colors and then leading directly into the cute little cat faces. We do have our schematic on both sides. Diamond Art Club, so all the symbols are going to be nice and clear. Just kind of thinking in the back of my mind, what can I do for cover sheets for this one? I am not a big fan of the plastic cover sheets. I hate the crinkling noise, and for my mental health, I can't look at the whole canvas while I'm working on it, or I would never stop diamond painting. So keep that in the back of my mind. I've got some ideas, but we'll see. So we've got the one little blue-eyed cat here and then a green-eyed cat here. Lots and lots of, is that 3371? No, that's 823 for this cat and this one as well. So like I said, lots of dark colors. It does look like there's going to be a nice mix of multi-placing and confetti. There's some multi-placing spots that I can already see. Multi-placing on this cat's face. Confetti all around with the little designs and everything. So that's going to be fun. Now we've got 3 ABs, so let's look and see where those go. So the first AB is a red, and it is right here on this flower, on some of the designs of this cat and its tail, and this cat and its tail. The second AB is an orange, and that one is going to be mostly down here in the bottom around this little ring, in this tulip here, on this cat's tail. So lots of that orange. And then the last AB is white, of course. So that's going to be up in the eyes of the cat, the little highlights of their eyes, the circle at the top, the highlights, some of the muted background. There's highlights of these circles down here at the bottom as well, various places for that AB. Now, the fairy dust drill, where is that going to go? Interesting. The only spot that I can find for the fairy dust drill is actually right here on part of the cat's tail. Oh, it's over here in these rings. Oh, so this ring is going to be an AB, and these will have some fairy dust in them. So maybe I'll find some other ABs or fairy dust to add in to some of these other ones to kind of balance it out as well. But that looks like the only place where the fairy dust is going to go. So I've got lots of places that I could possibly add in some ABs. If I want to even find some dark colored ABs that I could just kind of sprinkle in here and there. Some red ABs, it looks like there's some teals, just lots of fun colors that I could possibly substitute in. So this is supposed to be 22 by 29 inches. Which is 55.8 centimeters. So let's measure this. This is 55.5. They said 55.8. I'm getting 55.7, I guess. But pretty close. Let's turn it. And measuring this way, it's supposed to be 73.7. I'm getting 73.5, maybe 0.6. Yeah, 73.5 is what I'm getting. So pretty close. I'm actually really loving how their faces look. I can't wait to see what these look like when I get the drills on them. So speaking of, let me grab the drills and we'll look at those. Okay, I was thinking to myself, I'm never going to get these drills back in the bag, but that's okay. I don't need to because I'm going to be doing this one pretty soon. So let me just grab the drills with a lot of bags. So to start with, we've got 3 big bags of 939. We've got a bag of 3371. We've got 2 bags of 823, which is a dark blue. We've got 2 bags of this very, very dark gray. Then we've got like a periwinkle, a tan, kind of a slate blue, an orangish brown, kind of a dark slate blue, a dark gray, a red, 2 bags of this light blue, which I'm going to assume is part of the background, 2 bags of dark gray, and then a blue. Then we've got another blue, kind of a teal color, a dark gray, sky blue. We've got our first AB, which is the white, another very dark blue, a pale tan, kind of a grayish mauve, a butterscotch. We've got 2 shades of blue, a very dark like royal blue, and then a slightly lighter blue. We've got another, there's our yellow AB, a gray, there's like a dark red, 2 kind of butterscotch colors. This one is lighter than this one, a gray, kind of a dusky rose pink, a dark watermelon color, and then a pale yellow. Then we've got a dark brown, kind of a light mauve. This is our fairy dust drill, kind of that teal color. A gray, a bright yellow, kind of a orangish brown, a dull brown, a brown, kind of a mauve, another milk chocolate color, two different shades of purple, a darker and then a lighter, a light turquoise, kind of a dark sea green, a salmon, a yellow, a light green, a very dark brown, kind of a coral color, and then another green. And then we've got these two short sleeves. So we've got another dark red, a tan, a kind of pumpkin-y orange, another tan color, and a very light peach. And then our last little sleeve here, we've got like a brick red, a dark pink, we've got our red AB, two different shades of brown, kind of a butterscotch and a milk chocolate color, and then an off-white. So that is all the colors. 65 colors is quite a few colors. So I probably won't kit up in one of my bottle cases because those only have 60. So I'm probably looking at doing this in my Elizabeth Ward. Definitely for some of the dark colors, I will need to put in the largest containers from Elizabeth Ward because I will have so many of them. But some of them, like these small ones, can probably fit in the smaller containers. Maybe I'll have to have two. Or maybe I'll use my small little knockoff ones with the smallest containers to put those colors in and put all the big colors in the large tray. I'll have to kit it up and see. 65 colors is quite a lot, so it'll be interesting to kit this up, but I am really excited. This was on my want list, so I'll be able to check mark off that part of the goal once I start working on this one. I am close to finishing a couple of other goals, so that will leave me free to work on some stuff like that, and I'm super excited. So thank you to everybody who voted on this, and it was pretty close. Like I said, it was kind of neck and neck there. I was waiting until the very end to decide if it was going to be this or Little Baker. Little Baker was the runner-up, so maybe that's the one I'll do after I get done with this one. We'll see. I don't know what's going to be going on in my life by then, so plans may change. But again, thank you to everybody who voted. I will stick a link to this kit down below. I believe it's still available. This is not one of their most new kits, but I didn't buy it that long ago. I think I bought it maybe last Black Friday of last year, so way newer than some of the other kits I've been working on lately. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.